Hello, this is Local Human. I'm just gonna show some things with recent changes in debugging smart contracts. The gist of it is we are in the process of adding a new thing called a breakpoint, and basically what that is an instruction that gets built into the compiler to tell the Python VM to break during execution. So here is a sample method. And what that does when it's compiled is not only will it compile an AVM, but it'll also compile a debug.json file. This was built with the help of Reflos. He built the C# debugger and gave me a really good start to getting this working in NeoPython. So what that is it takes every instruction in your contract and maps it out to a line number and a start instruction and an end instruction, and then keeps a reference of all your files. So if we go back to NeoPython and we do what we're used to doing when we are building and testing contracts, let's see, here we go. I'll open a wallet. We're going to do the same thing we always do and just build a contract, tell it to test, pass it in the parameter type, return type, whether it needs storage, and then your argument. In this case, the argument is basically a switch to tell us what part of this contract I want to switch to test. So let's pass it in 1 and just see what happens. There we go. It brings up the relevant code. And if you type help, you can learn what you can do in here. So if you want to print the execution stack, it's currently empty. The alt stack will tell you what's in the alt stack or the invocation stack. That's all fun. Let's quit out of the debugger and it goes back and executes normally. Let's do number 2. That's a different breakpoint. And what else can we do here? Help. Let's just print the whole file that we're in so we can get some context. Okay, and we see, okay, that's where we are. And maybe we want to see the ops that are executed in that method. This shows you the actual Python disassembler code for that method that we encountered in main. So let's continue out of this again. Let's do 4. And here we have J, and let's just say we don't know what J is. We can just tell the debugger J, and it'll tell us it's 15. Or A is 4. Let's do another one. Continue, let's do 5. If we look back at our contract, 5 will go down into another method and pass it a variable 6. And then the breakpoint is here. So let's see, maybe we don't know what we passed in, so we're just wondering what's Q. Q is 6. And what's M? M is 24. All right, that makes total sense. And we continue out. The last switch is just a test of calling a module from another file. And we'll just do a quick test to see if that works. So bring up the other file. Let's see. That looks like it's right. And we'll just see what thing is. And thing 2 should be 38. Yay! All right. Well, there we go. That's a quick demo. This is not quite ready. We need to add some tests and stuff, and there's a few backlog items, but I'm excited to make this available to everyone. Bye.